Dictation at the rate of 100 words per minute. Start. Replying to the debate, the Minister for Law and Justice said, Respected Speaker and Honorable Members, today I would like to draw your attention to the introduction of a new bill aimed at regulating the functioning of the companies in the country. The salient features of the bill are as follows. As you are aware, with the opening of the economy and liberalizing the rules, a number of companies started coming up. These companies approached the public for subscription to the share capital. For one reason or the other, the stock markets were full of enthusiasm and it gave necessary fillip to the investors to park their savings in the capital of the companies. The public were expecting that these companies would be able to do well and achieve the objectives so that there would be a fair return for their capital. As some of the big companies showed positive results, there was no reason why the people should not aspire for good return. Going by the mood of the people, a large number of companies flooded the market with bright prospects. The investors immediately responded to such issues without properly judging the performance or the profile of the company in which they wanted to invest. The merchant bankers who were to provide information and guidance to the interested could not really rise to the occasion. They furnished only the same papers which the companies made available to them. The existing mechanism was not able to exercise any control over the companies as it was busy giving recognition to the multitude of companies, with the result every issue that entered the market was oversubscribed by a number of times. After the companies collected the money of the public, they were not able to execute their plans properly and went into exile. The poor investors who were allotted shares were expecting that the companies would fare well, but surprises were in store for them after some time, as these companies failed to respond to the investors in the face of competition from the foreign companies. The Indian companies could not prosper as expected. Some of the companies have even made drastic changes to the articles of association and memorandum. The investors who are not aware of the fundamentals of the organizations have nobody to render assistance either with regard to their rights or the options available to them in case of deceit. There was large number of complaints from every corner of the country about such companies that vanished in the thin air, putting the hard earned money of the small investor at stake. As the complaints grew, the government has realized the need to establish a constitutional body vested with powers to even punish such bad companies. With this objective in view, the government introduced a bill for the establishment of Securities and Exchange Board of India, with the chief objective of protecting the interest of small investor. It checks each and every document on the functioning of the company's letter. Dear Madam, we thank you very much for your inquiry about the products that we are offering on the occasion of the new year. We propose to introduce a new range of items as you can see from the enclosed pamphlet. As you are aware, this being the year of women, we have taken into consideration the special interests on of women. Our departmental store, which is situated in the heart of the town, will meet with the requirements of many customers. For the special occasion, we would like to introduce diaries of various companies. The prices of these vary from 30 to 100 rupees, and the design will be tempting. There are very attractive gifts for those who make purchases from our store on the eve of the new year, and you will certainly enjoy the day spending at our shop. We request you to visit our store and avail the special discounts offered for the first week of January on all articles we sell. Further, we have a unique feature this time. We would deliver the ordered gift to any of your friends and convey the good wishes on your behalf, assuring you of our best services at all times. Yours sincerely, over.